Hello guys, welcome to the day 25 of 100 DevOps Challenge series. Hello guys, welcome. So we are at the day 25 of 100 where we are mastering the Git branching strategies. We have already covered Linux. So this we have completed the 1/4 of the challenge. Basically we have completed 25 days. Here is the day 25. Let's solve the problem of day 25 what they are saying. Let's first read the problem statement. So this day 25 we have to get merge branches. We have to use merge branch strategy. Let's first check whatever they are saying. So let's see. The nautilus application development team has worked on a project repository called media.git. Okay, so this repository is cloned at usr kodekloudrepos. Okay, inside this folder, this repository is being cloned on the storage server instead of DC. So without wasting much time, let's jump to our storage server. Let's check the details. Let's SSH to our storage server. SSH. Let's see once again. Let's put the password of this. Let's put the password. Okay, so now we are in our storage server. Okay, now let's read further. What is that? Permission denied. Just why put the wrong password. Yes, now we are inside of our storage server. We have successfully logged in. So now what we have to do? We have to create a new branch nautilus inside this repository. Okay. So firstly we have to go inside this repository and then we have to create a new branch named nautilus from master and then copy tmp index.html file which is present on storage server and to the repository. Further, we have to add or we have to commit in the new branch. Means git add to the staging and commit to the main branch and merge back their branch into the master branch. Okay, from the branch which we have created, we have to merge it to the master branch. Just a kind of a hotfix. Finally, we have to push the changes to origin for both the branches. Okay, so we have to do this. I think the problem statement is clear to all of you. Let's first jump to the solution of this. So I have already. Is there anything else we have to do? Okay, so we have to merge it. Origin branch is this given and we merge it to the master branch at final. Okay, so finally we have to merge all this to the master branch. Basically main branch. Okay, okay. So we are good to go. Okay, so let's first create. Just a second. Just a message. Please give me 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Let's jump to the back. Back to base. Okay, so back to our base. Let's do the solution of this. So, okay, so we are on the repository. Let's first log in as a sudo user so that we can perform our operations. Let's put the password. Okay. So what they are saying, firstly we have to go to this directory usr src media. Okay, so we have to go first inside this repo. Oh, sorry. CD text. Yes. Now we are inside our media file. Now we have to first see on which branch we are. We are the master branch. If you want to switch to the master branch, which by the way we are already a master branch, but if you want to switch, just you have to git check out master. It's already saying already on master. Not an issue. Everything is going fine. Now what we have to do, we have to switch to a new branch. What is the name of that new branch? Nautilus. So what we have to do, we have to git check out, create a branch with branch name and okay, so now we have switched to a manual. Let's see the branch. Okay, so now there are two branches. One is master and one is nautilus, and now we have the nautilus branch. You can see it here. Now what we have to do, we have to copy the index.html file from master repository from master and copy the temp file into the repository. Okay. So what is the command for copy? cp slash tmp. Guys, cp is not correct, please. Delhi guys or delights. cp is for copy. Copy from one place to another. So what we have to do in this branch, we have to copy the slash tmp slash index.html file. Inside tmp there is index.html which we need to copy. Okay. So next we need to check like what is it? Sorry. We have to copy it where actually there is source and destination. This is slash tmp slash index.html is the source. Now we have to put the destination from where we have to take the file from where to take the file and where to copy this. So this is the source slash tmp slash index.html is the source and what wherever we have to copy where we have to copy it in the current directory. So for copying in the current directory we can use dot. Okay, just press enter. Okay, so it is copied in the current directory. You can see index.html has come. Info.txt welcome back txt was already there. Now index.html is copied. If you want to see what is inside index.html, let's see. Welcome to Nautilus group is this and then inside index.html. Not an issue. So since we have already copied, now we have to add and comment. Is there any comment message we have to give? Okay, so what we do? We have to add all the students to area. Okay, so we have added this in staging area and now let's comment it. Let's comment it with message git commit at tmp file. One file is still one insertion. We have created a node and next.html. Now we have to again check the branch in which we are. We are at the nautilus branch. Now we have to check out to our master branch. Master. Okay, let's check the branch. We are at the master branch. Now what we have to do? Now after switching to the branch, what we have to do? Let's read the last line. Finally, we have to push the changes to the origin for both of the branches. I hope you get it. Now what we have to do? We have to merge the branch. So we have to git merge this branch with the original branch. So git merge tds. So git branch. We have master merge and we have merged it with the branch. After merging, just we need to push it. What is the use of what is the use of push? Push is to upload the changes to remote directory. So just press git push and done. Immediately changes 4 done. Updating objects 4 out of 4. Delta compression compressing objects and total right region 2. Where we have written is to on a project called media.git. We have merged all the changes to our master branch, which is very important for our production part. So sometimes in the production there may be some errors. So as a DevOps engineer, what is you do? Just to hot fix something. Some just need to fix maybe the issue. Sometimes servers will overrun, sometimes the code throws an error, or sometimes your microservices didn't work as expected. So what the developers do, or what the DevOps engineer will do, they will create a new branch, hotfix. For this, you have to learn the branching strategies, Amit. Yeah. So, yeah, where I am? Okay. So, you have to create a branch hotfix, naming hotfix, and just propose some changes over there, and just directly we have to merge it to our main branch where the production code was running. So, this is a very important task, seeing the scenario of these companies. Okay, so let's submit our task and let's check it. Is it completed or not? Boom in the chat, guys. Again, it's done. We are done with our day 25 of 100 days of DevOps challenge of Git branches. Hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and share this as much as you can to all your groups and all your community. Let's take a oath of 100 days of challenge. Let's complete this 100 days, guys. And I bet if you complete this 100 days, no one can stop you from becoming a DevOps engineer. Maybe not a DevOps engineer, but even a senior DevOps engineer, maybe a senior manager as well. Yes. Okay. So we are done with the T25 of 100 days of DevOps challenge. What is in day 26? Okay, so we have to manage remote. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to manage remotes. Maybe some permission level issues can also be occurring over here. We can manage remotes. Okay. So day 26. We will build back tomorrow with our day 26 task. Git cherry pick. Git is still day 34. This one is interesting. Then we will be working from day 35 in Docker. Docker is also good. Coding updates. Then we will use Kubernetes. And day 48. Okay, so these tasks we will complete it. Okay, so signing off for today with our D25 challenge. Let's meet tomorrow on our D26 challenge of Git manager modes. Signing off, ending the stream in 3, 2, 1.